साथ ही आउँछ घामलाई हेरी बस्छु बादलमा नि तिमी देख्छु तिमी बिना कसरी बिताउने Met a lot of people but nobody feels like you so please don't break my heart can see it everyone else but you baby you light up my world like nobody else the way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed but when you smile at the ground it ain't hard to tell you don't know oh oh you don't know you're beautiful asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I know I love you then, but you never showed. Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. Hey, what's up?
Just say you and let's go.
Okay.
Just say you
Just
and
say oh, let go. You like this song?
yeah, I like this song. But
Where
I
are
don't
you
know the
from?
lyric. I just know rap.
That's alright. Okay, where are you from?
Indonesia, what about you?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal? Oh, you
Yeah.
have good voice.
Oh, thank you so much. You too. You got a good voice too.
Thank you. Let's sing a song. Do you know Olayas
Okay.
from Adele?
Oh, sorry, I don't hear her song much.
What are you doing? Oh, nice.
I'm
Let's sing a
singing.
song.
Okay, okay. What shall we sing?
What do you want?
So I really listen to One Direction so much. So
I just know,
do you know One
what
Direction?
makes you beautiful.
Okay. We can go for that.
Okay.
You're insecure, don't know what for.
You're
You're turning hair when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. Oh oh, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. Oh oh, you don't know you're beautiful.
Oh oh, that must make you beautiful. Nice.
Yeah, you sing really good.
It's nice.
Okay, you went
We
good.
will be star.
I didn't got you. What you said?
We will be star. Star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you heard this song? Have you heard this song?
Yeah. What is that? What is the title?
It's you. It's always you. If
I don't
I'm
know the
ever
lyric, but
gonna fall in love,
know.
I know it's gonna be you. It's you. It's always you. Met a lot of people, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart. Don't you feel me? But I know how it starts. Just me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again. I am delicate. Please don't break my heart. It's something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't likes you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on now. I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. If you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Yeah, that's all.
Wait, I want to take my
Okay,
guitar.
okay.
But I cannot play guitar actually. I cannot play guitar. I just follow you.
Yeah, you can try it.
What we want to sing? Jeng 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 jeng.
You can go for anything. Anything you like.
I cannot. I just look you. It's just style.
Okay. Let me make you hear some Nepali songs. Can I go for some Nepali songs?
Yes.
Okay, let me try it. लाखौं हजारौं मध्ये तिम्रो मुस्कानले किन हो मलाई पागल बनाउँछ लाखौं प्रयास गरेका पनि किन हो मलाई तिम्रो यादले सताउँछ माया के हो भनेर तिम्रै वरिपरि रहँदा यो मनले थाहा पाउँछ आज भोलि सुन्दा तिम्रो बोली यो मुटु साथै रमाउँछ घामलाई हेरी बस्छु बादलमा नि तिमी देख्छु तिमी बिना कसरी बिताउने होला जिन्दगी काटेको केही छैन तिम्रो लागि मेरो माया देखाइदिन्छु कति रहेछ यो सानो मुटुमा चन्द्रमा र ताराको सामु सारा संसारै सामु देखाइदिन्छु कति रहेछ यो सानो मुटुमा. Okay, that's it. I messed up the lyrics a bit last.
It's so nice. Oh my god. I don't know what the meaning about the song, but I like the song.
Okay, it means around 1,000 people, 1,000 girls. The smile of her makes him like mad. I mean, mad in love.
Oh.
Yeah. He tried thousands of times, many millions of times, but though he tried, always the remembrance of her, the face of her, always comes in his mind, and he gets bothered.
Oh.
He cannot work. Like,
so nice.
so yeah, it's really good. It's a really good song.
You will be a star, you know. You have a good voice. Oh my god. You will be famous.
Thank you for the appreciation, but I think I am not really good.
Have you be a champion in sing competition? competition? Yes. I feel yes. Yes.
No. When I was a child, I went for some competitions. Yeah, I used to get the positions, but I haven't
Yeah.
tried after my voice changed.
So why don't you follow the competition now?
Because I think I'm not made for that, and I would not make it. So it would disappoint me if I go for that. If
Keskip. Sinyal sih ngeselin banget deh.